Hey, what's up, guys? Another day, another W. Minimum element after replacement with digit sum. Okay. You're given an integer array nums. You replace each element in nums with the sum of its digits. Return the minimum element in nums after all replacements. All right. So, okay, nums of I is 10 to the fourth. 10 to the fourth. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna make a function digit sum. I have n, right? I'm gonna have while n. I'm gonna do sum plus equal and each digit. I'm gonna do return sum. Okay. So now I'm gonna just loop through this less than dot size plus. Okay. I'm gonna say int x or whatever is gonna be digit sum of nums of I, and then nums of I is gonna be x, and I'm just gonna return a the smallest element after this. Okay, submit. Okay, guys, so another one solved. Thanks for watching. Have a nice Sunday. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.